Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation. And in today's video, I'll show you how to register a Pinduoduo account with your Google account without any stress. If you do not have WeChat accounts, it is my great pleasure to tell you now that you can use your Google account to register Pinduoduo account successful. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168, how about Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on the search right there and type in Pinduoduo. Pinduoduo. Then hit on search. And you'll be taken right here. You can scroll down and read detail right here. So here you have pinduoduo.com. Then from the top right here also you have pinduoduo.com. So go ahead and click on the first result right here. Now you are here. Okay, so next thing you want to do, you can go ahead and translate for easy understanding. So after you have having successful translate, what you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on here, and you'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come down below right here, click on here to download the app. Then this is going to pump up. Click on download anyway right here. Then allow the download to complete. So just like what you see right here. So the app is being downloaded. After a successful download, click on open. Then you are here. Now you have the Pinduoduo app download right here. Go ahead and click on it. Installing the app. Go ahead and click on install. Now app was installed. So it's that simple. So after a successful installation, the app is going to run and scan for the viruses or whatever. So here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open. Then go ahead and click on here. Is to go ahead and click on continue with Google. So I'm going to click on continue with Google right here. Then go ahead and select your Google account. And in a few seconds, you have your account created successful, just like what you see right here. So you can click on here to go to your home page. So here you have all the products right here. So if you come down below right here, click on this icon, you have your profile icon, which everything was written successful in English language. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.